My name is Samyuta. I am studying in LKG in St. Philomena's Group of Institution, Chandapura.
Samyukta, I will ask some questions. Can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is our planet?
Earth is our planet.
Which is our continent?
Asia is our continent.
Which is our country?
India is our country.
Which is our state?
Karnataka is our state.
Which is our district?
Bengaluru is our district.
Who is President of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Can I ask national symbols? Father of the nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem?
Jana Gana Mana.
National song?
Vande Mataram.
National emblem?
Lion capital.
National flag?
Green color flag.
National flag color?
Saffron, white, green.
National flower?
Lotus.
National animal?
Tiger.
National bird?
Peacock.
National aquatic animal?
Dolphin.
National fruit?
Mango.
National vegetable?
Pumpkin.
National calendar?
Soccer calendar.
National book?
Bhagavad Gita.
National game?
Hockey.
National currency?
Rupees.
National tree?
Banyan tree.
National river?
Ganga.
Can you say major rivers of India?
Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamimabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
8 planets?
8 planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
5 oceans of the world?
5 oceans of the world: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents of the world?
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Atlantica, Australia.
Say states and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Tizpur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunanthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhupan, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Assam, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Devora, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Neighboring countries of India?
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Fundamental rights of India?
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights against exploitation, rights to freedom of religion, cultural and educational
Rights to
freedom of constitutional remedies.
Gnanapita Award winners from Karnataka?
Gnanapita Award winners from Karnataka: ಕುವೆಂಪು, ದಾರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ, ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಕಾರಂತ್, ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್, ವಿ. ಕೃ. ಗೋಕರ್ಣ್, ಇವರನಂತಭೂತಿ, ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್, ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಪರ.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties: Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Vaisala dynasty, Maurya dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Rashtrakuta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Vijayanagara dynasty, Vardhan dynasty.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world. The Great Wall of China, Machu Picchu, Raj Mahal, Historiator, Colosseum, Eastern Jordan, Chichen Itza.
9 Union territories.
9 Union territories: New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Nagaland, Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Asaf Ali, Urchita Rupanadi, ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ, ಓಣಕ್ಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ, ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಪಂಡಿತ್, ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಡು, ಝಾನ್ಸಿ ರಾಣಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀಬಾಯಿ.
Indian festivals.
ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಸ್: ಗಣೇಶ ಚತುರ್ಥಿ, ನವರಾತ್ರಿ, ದಸರಾ, ದೀಪಾವಳಿ, ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ, ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್, ಈದ್, ಹೋಲಿ, ಮೊಹರಂ, ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ.
National festivals.
National festivals:
January 26.
Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14, Children's Day.
Helpful doctors.
Helpful doctors:
General doctor.
General doctor, general physician, pediatrician, children specialist,
Neurologist.
non-specialist,
Gynecologist.
female specialist,
Psychiatrist.
mental illness,
Nephrologist.
kidney specialist,
Pulmonologist.
respiratory organs,
Ophthalmologist.
eye specialist,
Oncologist.
cancer specialist,
Urologist.
non-specialist,
Urinary system.
urinary system,
Dermatologist.
skin specialist,
Gastroenterologist.
stomach specialist,
Cardiologist.
heart specialist,
Orthopedic.
bone specialist,
Dentist.
teeth specialist,
Jyotirlinga temples.
Jyotirlinga temples: Krishneshwara temple, Kirana temple, Kasi Vishwara temple, Nageshwara temple, Ramanatha Swami temple, Bhimashankara temple, Vaidhanatham, Omkareshwara and Mamaleshwara temple, Mahakaleshwara temple, Mallikarjuna temple, Somnath temple.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Gobateshwara statue in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi temple in Karnataka, Konark Sun temple in Odisha, Nalanda University in Bihar, Khajuraho group of monuments in Uttar Pradesh, Kolat temple in Punjab.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Most popular international airports.
Most popular international airports: Indira Gandhi Airport in Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bengaluru.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas: Agni Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Brahmada Purana, Brahmavaivata Purana, Karuna Purana, Kurma Purana, Linga Purana, Markandeya Purana, Matsya Purana, Narada Purana, Padma Purana, Sanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Vamana Purana, Varaha Purana, Vai Purana, Vishnu Purana.
Religions, 10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishad: Ishavadya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitiriya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Puratarina Upanishad.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rutveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulikeshi Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvatana, Amova Varsha, Madakari Rayaka, Kitturani Chennamma, Onak Akka Bukka, Jayachamaran Odiyan, Kempegowda.
Classical dance forms of India.
Classical dance forms of India: Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu; Kathakali, Kerala; Kathak, Uttar Pradesh; Manipuri, Manipur; Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh; Odissi, Odisha; Sataliya, Assam; Makki dance, Madhya Pradesh; Dandiya, Gujarat; Yachagana, Karnataka.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Kudo, Godi, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Nagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikmagaluru, Chikkaballapura, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwada, Katarka, Hasan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kollara, Koppala, Mangya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shumaka, Kumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yakiri.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Shagana Rutu, Sharag Rutu, Shagana Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Countries and capitals.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Austria, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brazil, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Campeche, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Ireland, Helsinki. ದಶಾವತಾರ ಅಫ್ಲ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಮತ್ಸ್ಯ ಕೂರ್ಮ ವರಾಹ ನರಸಿಂಹ ವಾಮನ ಪರಶುರಾಮ ರಾಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬುದ್ಧ ಕಲ್ಕಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.